Are you getting them?
I'm putting it on video now. I just took a whole couple pictures, but now I'm taking pictures. Now I'm taking videos. Just don't make me escape Canada. I thought they were going to. They'll probably do it or something. What? Oh yeah, I know. Dude, this is such a hard. Or I'm just taking a video.
And then once you save your...
Oh my gosh. I thought this was going to...
I love
I think they're going to come towards us.
I know they do.
I know. Dude, it looks like they're gonna go after you, like coming right at you. Oh my god! Holy crap! Oh my god!
I like the ones that were like green and red.
Yeah, those look cool. They should make more red ones, not like since it's Canada Day. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Oh, I like this one. There's the blue. Ish.
There's the green.
Yeah, it's not. This is what they always do at the end. Woo! I can't. Once it's on, all I can see is Kara's dad's hat. You can see Kara's dad's hat. And you can't zoom in right now. These are epic.
Doesn't it look like it's going to hurt you?
Oh my god.
I missed that one.
The whole sky looks
Look how
like
far
red.
You know how they get to glitter, like at the end?
Yeah.
It doesn't by itself. They catch into each other.
It looks cool when they do that though.
They're just bumping into each other.
This one's gonna do that.
That one.
It's been 7 minutes for me because I was taking pictures before.
And then there was a couple minutes before I started because it scared the living crap out of me.
Yeah, I know, same. The thing's in my way.
How long's your video?
8
9,
minutes.
16.
8, 17, 18. Green. Oh, that's epic. At the end, they shoot up a whole call at the same time.
Yep. They just have several guys.
The firefighters feel like they're like kind of like
Yeah, they have to because in case something goes wrong.
yeah, the fire truck's over there in case something goes wrong.
Oh my god!
Especially with those trees.
It's over the lake. They'll go in there.
Must suck for the people that are over the lake though. Like over there. Because they can probably not see them as well.
I think that's the coolest one.
Looks very starry tonight. It's very starry. Look at this. It's very starry tonight. Oh yeah, sway. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing.
We still talk like that.
Stop talking like this.
Sounds like what?
We're not talking like anything. Talk like. Oh yes, man. It's a starry night. It's a very starry night. 10 minutes, 11 seconds, 12 seconds, 13 seconds, 14 seconds.
calls you just a double fight and that's 1-1. I'm trying to
After this, we're probably gonna have to single Canada.
probably.
Because before we did it before.
Well, this I have to have at least 150.
Oh my god.
These are so tricky. Most of them are gonna fall off.
Starry nice.
You know why? From the loud bang, they're breaking the sound barrier. You know the sound barrier?
No.
Like what jets do.
Yeah, they always make that noise.
What, fireworks?
Sonic.
What did you just say?
Sonic boom. That's why they're making that noise.
Alright.
Like the Big Bang?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Jade Wad.
They're
Tory
amazing.
King.
Can you even put videos on Facebook through your iPhone?
Yes. I'm putting this on YouTube.
I have like 100 pictures now. Already.
You taking pictures or a video?
I took a
I'm
couple
doing
of pictures, and then I started doing a video.
I have over 100 pictures now.
Oh, Kendra has 1,000.
Oh, fireworks.
No, 1,000 pictures.
Those all about the fireworks.
Boom. Red for Canada.
No, it should be purple. Believer world.
Believer world.
I love this one.
What?
That color looks like it's pink.
It looks pink on my iPhone.
Don't look pink on my
Yes,
iPhone,
it is
too.
pink.
But it's red.
That's right.
Ish.
Oh, seriously? So yeah, Caitlin, I'm one of girls.